Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, in this video I am going to talk about how to check your scorecard and what will be the use of the scorecard which you have got, right? So friends, TCS has sent a mail. You can see the mail. NQT result are published now. So dear candidate, OCT TCS NQT results have been published. You can log into the NQT portal using your credentials and download the scorecard. So this is the URL has been sent to you by TCS. Your user ID will be your NQT ID and your password will be your 10-digit mobile number. So friends, if you click on this link will be also given in the video description. So if you click on this link, then it will ask for your NQT ID details, and then the password will be nothing but your registered mobile number, right? Please use your NQT ID as login ID and your 10-digit mobile number that you used for registration as password, right? Okay. Now, so if you click on login, then you will be redirected to this particular page where your applicant details will be there, okay, and a scorecard will be available. Now friends, basically you are going to check your scorecard. So if you are from 2022 or 2020 and 2019, then this scorecard will be very much useful and valid for you. If you are from 2021 batch, then you would have got call for interview if you have qualified. If you have not qualified, then your scorecard will be available, but you will be able to see that why you were not able to call for interview. So let us take one example. So one of the candidate with his consent, so I have downloaded his scorecard. So if you click here, then programming test scorecard will be available, and if you click here below, then your cognitive skill test scorecard will be available. So let us see. So he is Pritham Srinivas. So you can see the total marks for programming was 60. He has selected the language as Python, but he has scored only 3 marks. So you can say 5% of the marks. So that is the reason he was not able to get a call for the interview. He is from 2021 batch. So friends, because of programming also they have not called for interview. But if you'll see his NQT score for the cognitive skill test, it is very good. So in numerical ability he has scored 422. That means almost 70%, you can say. In verbal ability also he has scored almost 70%, and in reasoning ability he has scored around 75%. And overall if you'll see, so this is 1800 and 1800, he has scored almost 1300. Friends, this is a normalized score. So I'll be also talking about what is a normalized score, but before that if you'll see, then how much percentage. So friends, if you'll see here, the total marks is 1800 and the marks he has scored is 1294. So you can say almost 70% of the marks he has scored. So 70% marks is very good to get the interview call. So now the rest of the students, those who are from 2022 and 2020 and 2019, so if you have scored more than 70%, friends, this is my guess, TCS has not declared any cutoff marks. But if you have scored more than 70% marks in both, right, your in this part and programming part as well, then you will be easily able to apply for the companies like TCS, Chroma and other companies which TCS will be publishing. So you need to wait right now. So there is no cutoff as such, but more than 70% marks will be a very good mark. So those who did not score good in programming and did not get a interview call from 2021 batch, nothing to worry. So there are a lot of exams are there, and even TCS exam is also going to happen again in January. So be ready for that. Okay, check your scores, find your mistakes, and then be ready for the next examination. That is what I will say. So it's not the time where you will think why did you get less marks, okay, and why did you get good marks. Okay, it's the time to analyze what is your weak point. So for Pritham, I see the numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability is not the weak point. The only weak point is programming, where he has to improve, and then definitely he will be able to get a very good job. So like this, you need to analyze yourself and then write the upcoming examination, and definitely a very great career is waiting for you. So friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. because you are going to get all the updates only on our channel. Thank you friends.